Alright guys, so as y'all can see here, this is the setup. We've got my little work schedule up there. And then on our desk, we've got our Turtle Beach headphones, our 8-bit DO controller, and our Maono microphone. There's the brand new Acer Nitro KG1, as well as my old Acer Nitro monitor. There's the case for the Hollyland Larks I'm wearing currently for this video. Got the keyboard. I'm gonna put all of the links to everything I have in my setup on here. It's a pretty nice sounding little keyboard. I want to say it's a Royal Kludge. I don't remember the exact model, but it's got a little RGB on the side. I did change up the keycaps. I put some of the SteelSeries pudding keycaps on there. So we got us a cheap little Walmart chair, nothing special. We've got my mouse, which I really do enjoy. It's one of the Glorious mice. I have to remember which model it is. Like I said, I'll link it in the bottom. And then we've got the PC here. So this is actually something I'm planning on touching on a little bit more in the video. But basically, this was a pre-built PC. As far as like at least the GPU that's in there, the CPU, and then I upgraded a bunch of other things in it. The Antec C5 case it's in right now is a swap I did. I put on this Thermalright Frozen Warframe AIO on it, as well as I swapped out the RAM. This is 32 gigabytes of G.Skill Trident Neo RAM. It had 16 gigabytes of, I want to say, some Kingston Fury RAM in it. And then what else? Also, I made a little short on it, but I have a new 2 terabyte Gen 4 Predator SSD in there. And yeah, that's just a few things I kind of wanted to cover in the video. Do a little walkthrough. I've got this set of lights. They're pretty bright. Set of 2 lights I bought. They were like $35 or $40 online. They honestly work really good, as y'all can see. One second here. You can swap like the color on them. They have 3 different colors, a lot of different brightnesses. So they're actually pretty cool little lights for the fact that I only paid like $35 or $40 for them. And then just a few things, because I just want to kind of cover like a wide range of things. So obviously my cable management, I mean, pretty much all the way around needs a lot of love. I do plan on actually making a cable management video. Me buying some stuff maybe on Amazon or Temu or something like that, and going through and upgrading my cable management. Sorry guys, I wanted to just set my camera up and be able to kind of record and just sit down and look at y'all. I kind of recorded everything I wanted to as far as my setup went. But there's a few other things I wanted to talk about. So some other things I have planned is a couple more upgrades to my PC. I'm wanting to do a new GPU, CPU, and maybe a motherboard at some point, which I do plan on recording doing that, because I've never fully installed or even like fully built a PC. Like I said, I did move everything over to this new case, like I said, the Antec C5, but I didn't have to like install the CPU, which I guess is the main thing I really didn't do, because I've done RAM, I've taken it out and put in the GPU. So I mean, I guess that's the only thing I really haven't done is put in the CPU. But either way, so it'll still be somewhat like a build. And then I'll probably throw some pictures up somewhere on the screen, here, wherever, if I can figure out how to do that, what my old case looked like. Because like I said, this was a pre-built I bought from Zotac on Amazon. It was like a limited edition Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse PC. So I do have an old case as well as an old power supply, because I did go from a 600 watt to an 850 watt in preparation for the possible GPU upgrade, because like I'm thinking about going to like a 9070 XT probably, maybe at worst a 9070, which would need a little bit more CPU power, or not CPU, a little bit more power from the power supply, as well as running the Ryzen 7 5600, or maybe, no, I think it's the Ryzen 7 7600, yeah, the Ryzen 7 7600, and I'll probably upgrade to like either the 7800X3D or maybe like the 9700X, which I'm not 100% sure yet which CPU I'm going to go with. It kind of depends on pricing and availability at the time and how much money I have myself. So I wanted to go ahead and just have a little bit of future proof with the power supply. But since I do have an old case and an old power supply, I'm thinking about maybe doing another PC build, so just transferring over a lot of the parts that I buy from this for this PC into my old case and doing like a build and a flip type thing, because I wouldn't need a whole lot of different equipment, because like I said, I'd be moving over the motherboard. I may or may not have the GPU. I might sell it, just have a little bit more money to go towards my new graphics card. But I may or may not have an old GPU. I will still have my old CPU. So at worst, I would need to buy like a new GPU probably, as well as a couple other things. So I may record like a PC flip and just kind of test that out, because I like watching people like Elijah's Labs, and there's a couple other I watch. So that's something that I may also delve into. I'm kind of just trying to do like a wide range of tech stuff, because that's what I'm really into. I like watching phone content, microphone reviews, like headphone reviews, monitor reviews, and just like the weird like Temu tech stuff like that. And I kind of want to delve into the world of the content that I like watching, to try to put my own spin on it and just have fun making it, learning to edit it. So that's something I'm probably going to end up doing at some point. And at the end of the day, like I said, I'm just making this video for any new viewer to have an idea of what to expect from the channel, because the majority of my like 200 or 300 videos, which includes a lot of shorts, is Let's Plays. So that way, if they come to my channel, I don't want to delete my old Let's Plays. I want to keep them on my channel just for kind of a history of where I went and what the channel was and what it is now. So I don't want people to be like, oh, I don't know what's going on, so I can put this little like video up on the main homepage. That way people can kind of understand what to expect from the channel now going forward, because most of my most viewed videos are my Let's Plays. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. And also down in the comments, let me know if there's any tech reviews or any type of specific technology related or PC related videos y'all like to see me do. And if it's relatively attainable, I'll do it. Obviously budget wise, I'm not making money off YouTube or anything like that, so it all kind of depends on budget and what I can afford. But I do try to save up to be able to buy new technology. I want to buy a gimbal at some point, and I'll probably review that as well. That way I can have a little bit smoother videos. I am recording in cinematic on my iPhone, which does kind of help steady the shot and kind of focus it in line with everything, which does look really good and it does do a pretty good job. But I would like to get a gimbal at some point. So either way though, yeah, like I said, down in the comment section below, let me know what y'all think of the new direction, some of the what kind of technology reviews or PC type things y'all would like to see, as well as whether y'all do or don't agree with the way the channel's going. And if y'all don't, I mean, I'm probably still going to do whatever I want at the end of the day, because I'm just trying to make videos that I enjoy versus videos that I feel like I have to make, because it's a lot easier to just record a Let's Play and maybe do a few minor cuts here and there just to kind of record like traveling and stuff like that. So I kind of want to just delve into something where I can challenge myself editing, challenge myself personality wise, because if y'all can't tell, I have a super riveting personality and I'm definitely not extremely monotone.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I'm trying to amp up my voice a little, make the videos a little more exciting, and then I can also help do that by learning how to edit better and doing better cinematography. So other than that though, I think that's all I need to talk about in the video. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to be laid out, because I recorded a little bit of gameplay content, a little bit of footage of the PC and the setup to kind of do like a B-roll shot. I don't think I'm going to talk over it. I might just put music. I might talk over it. Not really sure, because I'm still kind of experimenting with everything. Other than that though, if y'all did enjoy this video, as always, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.